Okay, this video is going to show you how to set up your MT4 indicators on your cell phone. It's the same thing I'm using the iPhone right here, but it's the same thing on the Android too. All right, so we start here on the charts. We go to the letter F at the top. Click on the F at the top. We're going to click on main window. We're going to add our moving average. You got 3 moving averages to add. The first one is at period 10, shift 0, exponential close. So all that's right there. Style is going to be red. You're going to click on the style and make sure it's set at 4 pixels. Okay? 4 pixels. Make sure it's red 4 pixels. Save it. Then hit done. So that's the one red one. Then we're going to go back to the F. Back again to the main window. Moving average again. Then we're going to change this 10. We're going to change this to a 50. 0 shift. Method exponential. Apply close. No levels. The style this time is going to be white. It's going to be white, 4 pixels. Make it white, 4 pixels. Click save, then click done. Now we got the white one on. We're going to do the F again. Main window, the moving average again. This time it's going to be a 200 moving average, 200. Simple close on the 200. So we're going to click simple, all right? The style is going to be magenta. So just try to find that magenta color, 4 pixels. Click save and done. Now we got those 3 moving averages on. Okay, then we're going to go back to the F, main window. We're going to look for the word fractals. Can't remember exactly where they are. Here they go. Fractals down here in the Bill Williams fractals. Click fractals. The style is going to be a yellow or a gold, whatever color, yellow, gold, 3 pixels. Okay, save, done. Now the fractals are on. You'll see them in a minute. Then we're going to go back to the F. We're going to go back to main window. We're going to look for the word parabolic. Parabolic. Those are... Where are the parabolics on here? Parabolic SAR right here at the top. Parabolic. All right. The step is going to be 0.04. So we're going to change that to 4. The max is going to be just 0.2 like it is. The style, we're going to have it as red. Okay? Red at 3 pixels. You're going to click save and done. Okay? Well, no, those pixels are a little bit too big. So let's go back and change it on this iPhone. It's not that big on mine. So I'm going to go back to style. And I'm going to change that down to 1. Save, done. That's a good size right there. That's what mine looks like on the iPhone. Okay. Next, we're going to go to the letter F again. Now we're going to go to main window. Okay, I'm sorry, we're going to go to hold on, we're going to go back to the letter F. We're going to go back to, oh, wait a minute, on this iPhone, it's a little bit different. Letter F. We need to go to a new window. Where is a new window on the iPhone? Main window. Well, I guess it's only one window on the. Well, no, it can't be. It has to be another window on here somewhere. Hold on, let me check something really quick. 1 second. Yep. Okay. It's different. I've looked on my Android right quick. It's different. Let me go to see if I can find it somewhere. The letter F. Nope, that's not it. F. Indicators, main window. To add an indicator, tap window title. I guess there's only one window on the iPhones. So let's go see. All right, we're gonna go down to MACD. All right. Got a 12, 26, and a 1. Must be only a 1 window. We're gonna find out. Close. Then we got the main signal is white. The main is white. Signal is red. Red. We're gonna make that 4 pixels. Save. Done. Oh, see, I guess it does. See, it goes to its own window. Okay, so it's different. It's different than the iPhone, than the Android. So it's already put in another window. So that's good. All right, back here, we're gonna go back to indicator window 1 again, and MACD. I'm gonna go back to MACD. This time we're gonna make this a 5. A 5, a 15, and a 1. Gonna be a close 1, the main is white. The signal is going to be yellow. Okay. And I think it was 4 pixels again. Save. Done. All right. Now we got that. Why is it a dotted line? Let's check and see if we can make it not a dotted line. See if we can make this not a dotted line. Must not be. It doesn't give me that option like it does on the iPhone. I mean on the Android. Okay, so it's no option for that. Okay. All right. The next thing we're going to do is MACD indicator window 1 again. We're going to go to MACD again. Okay. Then we have 12, 26, 9. All right. And that's going to be one main, and the signal is going to be an aqua color. All right. Done. Okay. All right. Well, you know what? I don't think we're going to use the aqua one. Let's don't use the aqua one this time. We're not going to use the aqua one. So let's get that one off. Let's get that one off. Ooh, wait a minute. Ooh. Delete that one. Okay, there we go. We deleted that one. All right. So next, we're going to go to the awesome oscillator. We're going to get the F. We're going to look for indicator 1 again, main window. We'll look for awesome oscillator. I think it's going to be under the main window. We're going to see. Might have to move it up. Going to be green for 1, and okay, that's good. And value down, red. Okay, that's good. So we hit done. Yep, there we go. Awesome oscillators in. Okay, now we're done with the chart there. All right, we're done with the chart here. As you can see, we got our fractals, we got our moving average, we got we got our awesome oscillator. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to settings, okay, and we're going to go into the settings here. Now this one is different than our Android, so let's go to advanced mode. Let's find, should be in advanced mode somewhere. Charts, let's see. Bar charts, here we go. Here we go. Let's turn on the ASK line, period separators, trade levels, OLC, and data window. Let's do the colors here. All right, here we go. The foreground, we got white. Background is black. We got the grid is going to be, I think we want the grid to be black because we don't want a grid. So let's make the grid black. All right. Bar up is green. Bar down, we're going to make that red for the bulls. Save that. Then we're going to say the bull candle is going to be green also, lime also. All right. Then the bear candle is going to be the red. So we got the bar up is green, bar down red, bull candle green, bear candle red. The line chart, we want the line chart to be lime. So that's what it is. The volumes, we want the volumes to be a grayish color. So let's make that a grayish color. Well, grayish color, there we go, gray. The axe price line, we want that to be a grayish color also. Okay. The trade levels, I don't really use the trade levels. I'll leave that lime. Stop levels, we want that to be red. So let's go see what the chart looks like now. There we go. All right, we are good to go. So now we have our MT4 charts looking right. Okay, so that's what we need. All right.